If you're looking for India wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 India wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by SignMission. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by CafePress. Number 3, by Purpledip. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Oriental Furniture. Number 5, by 3D Rose. Find these India wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Society 6. Number 9, by Unravel India. Discover more India wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Sleep Kriti Arts India.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.